afternoon, Miss Yvonne, Mr. Nike, Kak Sahira, and everyone. We are from Group 3, want to present the result of our discussion. Our traditional food topic today will be cendol. Why? So, usually people have difficulties to enjoy a cendol conveniently because the package cannot be easily stored. This is why we make ready-to-go cendol. Now, for further explanation, Mita, time is yours.
Inside a plastic glass or single-use polyethylene plastic, or even just in the glass. So which means it should be consumed immediately. Because of that, our group have an idea is make a ready-to-go packaging. So the cendol could be fit into brief and easy to bring packaging, which is suitable for a person with active mobility. Our objective first to extend shelf life. So the cendol packed inside a flexible multi-layer spout stand-up packaging prevent mass transfer and microbial growth. Second, to increase flexibility. So it's easy to bring and convenient. Plus, no need to be worried about spill out cendol anymore.
Okay, so this is the design of our packaging. The packaging is in 250 milliliters. We are going to make the packaging is in unique, minimalistic, youthful, and cheerful packaging to appeal more audiences into enjoying a cendol in a modernized alternative. For the target users are people with high mobility who want to drink cendol with an ease of a more practical way without worrying about spoiling and having to use eating utensils. So why are we different from competitors? The first reason is unique packaging. So the packaging we use is flexible, so you can squeeze the packaging from bottom to the top. So there will be no cendol left in the packaging and can be consumed anywhere and anytime because it has bottle cap and the process is in hermetic condition and the packaging is light resistant. So we can prevent the light oxidation. And the second reason is a practical product. So we are going to make cendol in boba shaped cendol to ease consuming the product. So if we drink directly from the packaging, the cendol will come out easily. And next, for the problem solving and goals, we are going to use lecithin as the emulsifier agent to prevent the coconut milk from separating. And for the consumers targets are workers, students or college students, and people with high mobility. Next will be presented by Christine.
Okay, next is the prototype. Next. This is the aluminum spout standing pouch we're using. The width is 11 centimeters and the height is 17 centimeters. And the diameter of the spout is only 15 until 60 milliliters. So we're gonna have to modify the shape and the size of the cendol itself. And it costs 1,000 rupiah per pieces. But we're pretty sure that we can get it a lot cheaper if we're buying it in a larger quantities. Next. Since for now we cannot print the design directly on the pouch, we're using glossy waterproof vinyl sticker. It is appropriate for lower temperature condition. This is the front and the back design. The label shows the details of the product, such as the ingredients, the expiration date, the production code, the contact information, etc. And the price is 825 rupiah per pieces. Next. Okay, so this product is meant to be stored in a lower temperature. So we're planning on using thermochromic label. So the leaf will be printed in thermochromic ink. It will only appear in chilling temperature, which is the perfect condition for the storage. But unfortunately, we haven't actualized this idea yet because due to the very high quantities of the minimum order, and also we find a hard time to find the vendor located in Indonesia.
So the next I will explain about the method that we use. So for the ready-to-go candle, we use a pasteurization method. The temperature of the pasteurization is between 72 to 75 Celsius for 20 minutes. And the pot should be sterilized first before we using the pasteurization method. The pot is sterilized in boiling water for 5 minutes. And the product should be stored at a low temperature between 5 to 4 Celsius or even lower, because we using a pasteurization method. We use a lecithin as stabilizer because the properties of the coconut milk in the heat treatment can be separated because oil and water, and the ratio of the rice flour and tapioca flour should be 3:1 for the best texture of the candle. And the candle shape modification. So the candle is modified into the smaller, rounder shape instead of the traditional one shape, which is elongated. The shape modification is needed for the candle to be consumed easily, considering the spot size is only 15 to 16 millimeters. Okay, next please. So this is the photo of the product in the real life. It's served cool. So how to consume it? Just open the lid and drink it. So you can suck it or squeeze the product. So you can eat all the candle inside the product. Okay, next.
Okay, now why our group choose spout pouch instead of other package? Beside the uniqueness, if we compare it to metal can, spout pouch has less waste residue in the production, which 1 pallet of pouch equals to 29 pallets of cans. Also, 1 carbon footprint of pouch equals to 4 carbon footprint of cans. And then spout pouch is more safe to use because it has no metal component migration. And then pouch is 85% lighter than can. Next, please. Okay, so the next, if we compare spout pouch with polypropylene bottle, the production of pouch use is 50% less energy than polypropylene bottle, and then spout pouch is cheaper than polypropylene bottle. Next will be explained by Kaisa.
The traditional way to package take-out cendol using a polyethylene plastic pouch then sealed with a rubber band might be a cheaper choice to package cendol rather than using a spout standing pouch. But it lacks convenience since it's easy to spill after the rubber band is untied. Moreover, the straw is needed if the cendol wants to be consumed directly from the plastic pouch. Compared with the spout standing pouch which already has a lid, using PE plastic as a packaging for cendol would take more time to reclose the package with a rubber band if the cendol is not drinking up in one drink. Next. Ready-to-go cendol is sold at a price of 13,000 rupiahs. The consideration of that selling price is shown at the table that you've seen on your screen without considering other than raw materials and packaging needs. But we believe we can sold lower than 13,000 rupiahs if we produce in higher production. This product will be segmented to sold around Jabodetabek at first, and this price is considered reasonable and competitive to be sold in Jabodetabek area. Next slide will be explained by Angger.
Okay, so from all the way of the presentation, let's give me some time for wrap up or give some conclusion for our presentation. So we think that the standing spout pouch is appropriate and promising packaging for cendol because it is well protecting the products and gives some more convenience to the consumer. Anyway, we also have some suggestion for our further development of our product. That is the first, okay, we print on the pouch inside of the using vinyl sticker and for the single amount, and also do some research for more advanced sterilization process. Okay, I will give back to moderator.